gosh, no. Yeah. Vibing. Oh, hi Lily. You're all dirty.
Should have held your hand on that cold rainy night. 'Cause further along it would cause
She's on. She's skiing. Oh, she's
another
off.
fight.
But she's still like on the sled.
Stranger, that's all I see.
Clutching the stone.
To your eyes,
I can't either.
the
My head's frozen.
Snow
ice cream? You're gonna make it. Snow taste test. Buffers wants some. It's not that good. Buffers would really like some though. No, because this book, it ended so well.
Soulmate who wasn't meant to be. I never should have kissed your hand.
We got drinks, right? Me and my sister go in to get them. And we fill them all up. We have 6 altogether, so each of us have 3. And we walk up to the cash register and he checks us out. First of all, it's confusing how many drinks we have because he's like 5 and I'm like, no, we have 6. And he's like, 5? I'm like, no, 6. And then he's like, well, did you walk or did you drive here? I was like, we drove. And he was like, oh, well, I was asking because if you want cup holders, they're over there. So we pay. And as I'm walking back, my sister like scoots something and 2 drinks fall. I catch one. The other one falls everywhere. When we walked into this gas station, no one was in there. Now, there's 20 guys in here. In this tiny little gas station. Now there's Coke on the ground. I stand there, and the only option is these little tiny, paper napkins. And those aren't gonna clean up this mess. I see a mop. I can't ask the guy because he's checking out a line of 20 people. All walking around. So I grab this mop. The mop can't do much. I mean, it's a mop and I didn't have a bucket. I don't know how to use a mop, honestly. I don't use a mop. People use mops still. And my dad walks in. Because obviously we've been in there for like 20 minutes. And he was filling up the car, the gas. Getting gas at a gas station, obviously. And I'm like, yeah, I spilled this drink and I don't know what to do. I kind of tried to clean it up with the mop I stole from the back. But the guy walks over here, he's like, oh, it's okay. And he puts a little sign there. Gas station, he says it's a mess already because people, muddy boots everywhere because we're in a blizzard, if you haven't been able to tell by the video. He said it's okay. I'm like, oh, thank you. And we had got another drink, so I tried to give him $1. I don't know if he understood that I was trying to give him $1 because I was supposed to drink, and then we filled up another one. He said no, I don't know. So we went to the car. It was really embarrassing. Yeah. My pants, yeah. Nice got they just...
I will never understand. I never should have said I love you. You never said it back.
There you go. Say cheese. Look over here, Bubbers.
Who wasn't meant to be. Stranger. Wish I could go back to the day we met and leave you here. Sit and
If someone had some water, we could dump it on it.
Sydney is now a part of the jump.
Look what you did there.
Well, yeah, you weren't supposed to dump it on me. I'm packing it here. Okay, don't.
Look at you doing that.
You need to make it less.
that's all I
Oh!
when I look into your eyes. A soulmate who wasn't meant to be.
That whole body was on it.
Who knows all my
Yeah.
Whatever floats your boat.
Sign language for stupid.
a
He
soulmate
told us.
who wasn't meant to be.
Wasn't this?
I think it's standing on a sled going down the hill.
That's a sign you're stupid.
Yeah. I don't know what she just signed. That looked good. Very good.
Oh, there she goes.
And it was on a slick.
Okay, get out. She does not want to move. Oh, she's not moving.
We know.